A very good morning to all students. Welcome back to your English grammar class by Indu Minhas, your English teacher from Vishisht Public School. Okay students, so today we will do another topic of grammar, that is articles. And I know you have already read about articles in your earlier classes also. I want you to have a quick revision of articles today. Okay, so articles. Which articles? A and the. Okay, so these are the three articles. Today we will read about this, how and where we have to use them. Okay, so what are articles? These are the words that come before singular noun and tell something about it. Okay, so these are used with the noun. They come before a singular noun and they tell something about it. Okay, like a cat, an egg, an emperor, the king. Okay, so these articles, they are divided into two categories, indefinite and definite. Okay, so to understand these two types, I would like to start with an example. Okay, so this example is, once there was a king. The king was very cruel. Okay, in the first line we have been given, we have there a king has been introduced. Okay, in the opening line there is an introduction of a king. Okay, that's why we have used a article with this. Okay, because we do not know a king means any of the kings. Okay, once there was a king. Okay, so here the introduction of a king has been made. Okay, so that's why we have used a here. In the next line, the king was very cruel. In the next line we have used the article the. The means the same king that have been introduced in the earlier line. Okay, so the king means the king that we already know. Okay, so the person already known to us, the person whose mention is already made. Okay, so a king is indefinite article and the king is definite article, because we know it who is the king. Okay, similarly, once there was an emperor, an. Okay, another article, it is also used in the same sense. Any emperor it may be. Here is the introduction of a person who is an emperor. Okay, but in the second line the emperor was very generous, so we have used the article the, because now we know, okay, about whom we are talking, the same person about whom we have talked in the earlier line. In the rest of the passage we will use the with the emperor, because now we are known to him. Okay, so an is again indefinite article and the is definite article. Okay, so in this way articles are of two types, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles a and an. Okay, why they are called indefinite articles? Because they do not point out a particular or definite person or a thing. It may be anyone. Okay, definite article is the. Okay, because it tells about a particular person or a thing, or a thing that is already known to us. So that's why it is called definite article. Okay, so now we will study how and where to use these various articles. First one is use of a. Okay, so a, it is used before a word, that is a noun, that begins with the consonant. If I hear stop, then I may be wrong. Okay, we must see it should be a consonant sound. We have to make sure whether the sound itself is of consonant or not. Sometimes a consonant is there, but sound is not of consonant. Okay, so what we have to look for? We have to look for consonant sound. Okay, so it is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound, like a cat, a man, a pen. Consonant. The alphabets except A, E, I, O, U. Okay, all other alphabets, C, M, P, R, K, N, all other letters, these are consonants. Okay, so a cat, a man, a pen, a rat. Okay, so here we will use a. Okay, and second, before the sound of U. Okay, so we have talked about that a is used before a consonant sound. So U and Y sound also comes under a consonant sound. Okay, for example, a university, a union. Okay, so U gives sound of U also and sound of A also. If it is giving sound of A, then we will say it is a vowel sound. Of course, it is a vowel sound if it is giving a sound of A, like an umbrella. If vowel sound, then an. If consonant sound, like U, then we will use A, because sound of Y or U is not a vowel sound. Okay, which are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are A, E, O, U, A. We never say ki U or Y, it comes under vowel sound. Okay, so sound of Y or U comes under consonant sound. Here the alphabet U is used for giving sound of U, university, union. So that's why we have used A for a consonant sound. Okay, so next, when first vowel sound is silent. Sometimes the first letter is vowel, but it is silent. Okay, next letter that is giving a consonant sound. European. As I have right now told you, Y or U sound is considered consonant sound. So a European. Okay. So next, before the sound of a V. Okay, which is also a consonant sound. Okay, like a 1 rupee note. 1. Students may wonder that 1 is starting with O. O is a vowel sound. Okay, but here vowel is there, but sound is not a vowel sound. 1 starts with V, and V is a consonant sound. So that's why we will use A here. A 1 rupee note, a one-eyed giant. So the word is starting with the consonant sound. That's why I have told you in the beginning, we have to find out sound, whether it is a consonant sound or a vowel sound. Okay. So these were the use of A. Next we will come to use of N. Okay. So it is used before a word or a noun that begins with a vowel sound. Again, I have told you vowel sound. Okay. An egg, an owl, an umbrella. Here U has been used to give sound of A, which is a vowel sound. Okay. So with the vowel sound, we use N. Okay. Next, when the first letter is silent and the next letter is of a vowel sound. Okay, H is silent here and the word becomes honest, vowel sound. And second, H is silent, okay, and the word become R, an honest man, an R, okay. So next, before the beginning, consonants that are giving vowel sound. Sometimes there is a consonant but sound is not of consonant, like M-A. Okay, although M is a consonant but sound it is giving M. So M-A is a vowel sound. Okay, so that's why we have used an M-A. He is an M-A. Okay, NMP again when we pronounced it, okay, when we enunciate it like M. Okay, so A is a vowel sound. So always we have to look for the sound. If vowel sound is there, then we will use N. If consonant sound is there, then we will use A. Okay, similarly the use of the. So it is used when we talk about a particular person or a thing or one already mentioned or well known to us. As I explained you in the very beginning also, when we say shut the box that have already talked about कि उस box को बंद कर दो, and call the girl that has already been talked about, ठीक है, call the girl. I found a book, the book was old, ठीक है, first time we have used a, but next time when we talked about it we have used the book was old. Okay, and the second point is to represent a whole class. Okay, like the lion is the king of beast. Here we are not talking about a single lion, we are talking about the whole class of lion. Okay, the lion is the king of beast. The rich are not always happy. Here we are talking about all the rich people. So when we are talking about the whole class, then we also use the. Next, before the names of newspapers or well-known buildings, newspapers, the Hindustan Times, the Tribune, okay, well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, okay. Next, before the name of things unique of their kind, जो एक ही है, the sun एक ही है, ठीक है, something unique among many, okay, the earth, the sky, the moon, the prime minister, the principal, the equator. Okay, and the next, before the superlatives, third degree of adjectives, I have already discussed about it in editing also. Okay, the tallest, the richest, he is the tallest. Okay, when we are using third degree of comparison, okay, so we always use the richest, the oldest. And next, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, seasons, group of islands, deserts, okay, example, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Sahara, the winter, etc. Okay, and before the name of great books or scriptures, okay, example, the Vedas, the Ramayana, okay, and the last one, before the names of directions, the east, the north, etc. Okay, so this was all about article. I wanted you to know something about articles, that's why I sent you the practice material yesterday only. Okay, today I am not going to give you any further homework. The same work, okay, you can continue today, practice of editing. Okay, thank you so much.